Welcome to Tech Geek. The demand of the situation has always invited new inventions. In fact, what is even the history of mankind without the invention of gadgets? Presenting to you, the coolest gadgets everyone must have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Number 1. Wallet Ninja. The TSA approved Wallet Ninja boasts a lifetime guarantee to never rust, bend, or dull. Made from 4x heat-treated steel, Wallet Ninja is thinner than 2 credit cards and will fit into any wallet. Number 2. Explorer. The Explorer lighter, waterproof, recharge and flameless. What more could you ask for? It is USB chargeable. It has the dual arc plasma flame, which is more powerful than the traditional lighter. No more flammable gases. Number 3. Beard Bib. Grooming facial hair is no more a messy and time-consuming task. Fear the beard, not the mess. The Beard Bib catches the facial hair clippings and has a self-packing pouch. Now say yes to easy flap shoot disposal. Number 4. BH80. The world's first bilateral distance measurer. It is an IoT measuring device that measures the distance bilaterally. The time saved is incomparable. It ensures safety because you don't have to repeatedly get down or move the ladder to travel across the space. Number 5. Titanium Pocket Tool. One of the most versatile chunks of metal you can keep in your pocket. This 10-in-1 pocket tool lets you do more and carry less. It is a scant 3 inches long and you can carry a full set of tools in it. Number 6. VORTX. Immersion like you've never felt before. VORTX is the world's first environmental simulator for PC gaming. It detects the game events and brings the action to life. It produces physical effects like wind and heat synced with game conditions in real time to help users experience the on-screen environment and intensify immersion. Number 7. Alien Earbuds. It gives the high-end wireless audio without the markup. It has 30 hours battery case. It is sweat-resistant with a built-in mic. Number 8. 360 Fly. 360 Fly 4K camera is the powerful new 16-megapixel image sensor that increases resolution with no seaming or stitching. It is waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. It also has a time-lapse mode. Its first-person POV gives you the power to switch from 360 degrees to standard point and shoot mode and back with ease. We hope you liked our video. Comment down your favorite gadget of all these. Subscribe for more of our videos on your feed. If you liked our content, don't forget to click on the like button.